So special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their air duster. You can see this has a 1.86 to 2.51 ounce blowing force, 3 gear modes, a 7600 milliamp hour battery with a USB Type-C charging port. This is essentially a can of compressed air that's always rechargeable. Get rid of dust easier from any corner, set you free. Nothing else really around the box. So we'll open it up, see what all comes in here. So right on top is, what is this type of hose? Oh, this looks like almost like a vacuum hose in a way. Maybe an extension. Have a nice little carrying case, nice set of instructions. So yeah, this one does seem like it actually has a vacuum. So yeah, this one can be a vacuum or a duster. That's pretty cool. That's your filter in here, and it would suck in the dirt through here into this little compartment, and then you could empty it. Tool, little brush tool, more of a vacuum tool. An included USB Type-C cable to charge. Another little tool. Air dusting tip, another tip, and brushes. Nice. Oh, another brush as well. Comes with a lot. And then that's it for the box. So here's the actual air duster. So you can see, press for 3 seconds to power on, second press for more powerful, fourth press for power off. But essentially, you're able to take these tips to put here for dusting, and if you're vacuuming, you're able to put on these parts so that you can turn this into a vacuum. So this is all the parts that comes with this air duster kit. Again, thanks to the company for sending this to me to unbox and show you all. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next unboxing. Deuces.